That trips me out. We're paying a number of the same.
Huh? I just shoot videos, so cool.
You're okay with that?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so the bottom line was that at the end, when Cache Valley finally got it to work, right, they paid over.
Next stop, Sugarmont, 900 East.
Remember, it was only $180,000 to buy the thing, right? So they paid almost double.
For the safety of our riders and employees, please remember that face coverings are required on all UTA services.
But there's a lot of pieces of art. That big thing, that planetarium station, it's like, looks like a big clamshell. It's all made out of titanium.
Sugarmont, 900 East.
That right there is almost $500,000. There's some expensive artwork. Some that I don't know how to why not? I just don't know. Yeah, I'm gonna make some copies somewhere. I was reading your shirt, trying to figure out what it was.
It's a church thing.
Oh, is it? Okay.
Next stop, 700 East.
So do you guys drive tracks too, or you guys all just streetcar only?
Please allow
tracks too.
seniors and persons with disabilities.
Because it sure says
use
streetcar, so.
designated seating.
Yeah, that's true. It does. I actually have another shirt that says UTA Tracks and it says Front Runners. I used to be Front Runners.
The big train's cool.
Yeah, the big ones are cool.
Yeah, this is a lot slower than tracks.
It is. But it has some pros and cons to it.
Yeah.
It's nice because it's really laid back and all that. I like that. And a lot of the common issues that you have on the main line, the big line,
Yeah.
doesn't trickle down to here. So if a train breaks down here, something happens because most of it's single track.
Yeah.
You just go up to it, turn around, and go back. And
I see.
You'll have to do a bus bridge or something.
Uh-huh.
But out on the main line, they'll try and get the trains around, so they call them manual blocks.
Uh-huh.
A lot of times you'll be doing manual blocks around trains that are stuck or stopped. That's really uncommon here.
Yeah. So has a streetcar ever hit a car before here? Because somebody's running a sign?
But we had at 5th, so I'll show you up at 5th. The guy that was operated for several years. And so the guy was coming down this way up by
700 East.
500 East.
Uh-huh.
There. And he was doing 70 miles an hour outrunning the cops.
Great.
Heading northbound. And he was running all the stop signs. And the train came in and he hit the train and it flipped the car up and over.
So he hit the train. The train didn't hit him, ironically.
Right, yeah. And they were all killed instantly. There was a girl and a guy. The guy was driving.
Next
the girl
stop,
was pregnant.
500 East.
Operator, the tracks operator, the streetcar, he felt bad that
Be considerate
the
of
child
others.
died.
Please keep your
He
feet
never
off
came
the
back
seats.
to work. That was in August. Like 3 years ago or something like that. And he never came back here again. He's like, I just don't think I can ever get behind the truck's train again, knowing that what happened. Like,
It's not really his fault, to be
It
honest.
wasn't his fault, but some people just, it affects people differently on how that works.
Yeah.
just respect it. But yeah, it was right here. So he was
Uh-huh.
coming through here and stuff, and he hit so hard. This right here wasn't any, wound up way over there. So
500
flipped,
east.
and the car went down and he wound up back over in that corner. But none of this was here, the park and all that.
Yep. Was the train repaired or was the train scrapped?
It was repaired. He hit it on the corner up here, which is a really thick steel.
Uh-huh.
Stuff like that. But, like I said, the car was so fast that when he hit it, it kind of twisted and flipped it up and over, and he landed on the roof. And they were all crushed inside.
Next stop, 300
I
east.
take it back. I think it was right here. It was.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was. It was right here. So none of these buildings
For the
were
safety
here.
of our riders
Uh-huh.
and employees,
Right
please
down
remember
this
that face coverings are
right
required
here.
on
This
all
building was here,
UTA
but he wound up
services.
right in there, and none of those pods were sitting there. He was up against that building. That's what it was.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, because you can see St. Anne's Church in the photo stuff when they were taking pictures.
So that probably made the news, huh?
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Yeah, it made it.
Because I remember a
300
couple years ago
east.
when the front runner ended up hitting a FedEx truck, that was in the news too. And apparently there was a malfunction with the gate.
No, it was actually the truth, and they put this out. So the maintenance of way and line and signal, they take care of the signals and the gates, and they're testing the gates. And he didn't have permission to raise the gates
Uh-huh.
and stuff, but he thought he did. So he went ahead and raised the gates, and the train was coming down the track.
Next stop, South Salt Lake City.
They have no way
Main
of
Street.
knowing, you know,
Uh-huh.
the train was coming, and that's what. So a police car caught the whole thing on camera.
Oh yeah, I saw it on YouTube.
Yeah, I was gonna say, most people see it on YouTube.
Yeah.
Yeah. Of course, he lost his job and all that kind of stuff.
I'm sure the damage is a lot of money.
And the only saving grace was, if there is a saving grace, is that nobody was killed.
Uh-huh.
He hit the bed of the FedEx truck, and the FedEx truck was empty. So,
Uh-huh.
he was pretty fortunate, because it happened right around Christmas time, so
Uh-huh.
normally those FedExes always carrying something.
It was a slow time for them.
And he was just moving whatever it was. He was an empty rig, just headed up into Ogden area.
Uh-huh. So I heard you guys were gonna extend the street line further east.
Yes.
They were talking about it.
And they're still talking about it. They want to go into Westminster College
Uh-huh.
and stuff like that.
South Salt Lake City.
It was on the
Main
table
Street.
for 2022, but I think right now because of COVID, we're not generating the revenue, so
Uh-huh.
there's quite a few projects that have been put on the back burner.
Uh-huh.
That was one of them.
I see.
And I think too, because if you know where Grand America and Little America are,
Yeah, yeah,
putting a
downtown.
station in
Yeah.
right there, they decided to go with that, and
Yeah, I heard it's like right by the elbow, like south of courthouse and toward that little
Yes.
elbow. Yeah.
Next
that's
stop,
where it's going right
Central
there.
Point.
Like they already dug it out.
21st
and
South.
stuff, so it'll be done in the spring.
Uh-huh.
That segment right now. So they're doing some projects. They just prioritize things.
For the
and
safety
this
of
is
our
more
riders and
important. Those
employees,
buildings will
please
be done, and
remember
we
that
gotta
face
have
coverings are required on all
a
UTA
station
services.
there in order to pick up and drop off, and
Uh-huh.
2 office buildings.
Yeah, yeah.
Transfer to Red Line, Blue Line, and Green Line trains at Central Point. Central Pointe, 21st South. Please exit here. This is the last stop on this route.
There we go.
Thank you, sir.
Appreciate it.
Mhm.